Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia and today I've come up with another new recipe of mine, which is chicken fried rice. So come on, let's get started with the ingredients first. Chicken half kg boiled and cut into tiny pieces. Half kg of basmati rice. I had soaked it for 15 minutes and then after that boiled it and kept it for drying separately. 1 big size capsicum. 150 grams of carrots and 100 grams of beans, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce, Ajinomoto, if you want you can even skip this, pepper, my own garlic sauce, around 8 pieces of garlic, pounded tiny, 3 eggs fried normally, soybean sauce and vinegar. So come, let's start with the recipe for today. So come on, let's get started. I have put up a wok. You can even use a karai or whatever you want to fry it in. You want to make the fried rice in. I put a little bit of oil, as you can see. Now let this heat. After that I would be adding the rest of the ingredients. I will show you. The oil is hot. I will put the onion in. Onion will fry. The garlic. Let this fry. Carrots and beans, capsicum, the boiled chicken, I will add a little bit of Ajinomoto, just a little, pepper, the homemade sauce, garlic sauce, red chili sauce, little bit, little bit of ketchup, vinegar, around half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of vinegar, soybean sauce, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Now we'll give all this a good mix. You have to cook this on high flame. Let this have a good mix. Let it fry for a while. I am even adding half teaspoon of sugar. If you want, you can even skip it. Toss this nicely. Now into this I will add the boiled half kg of rice, basmati rice. I would be adding it slowly. Put it on low flame. So that it doesn't stick. So I will start mixing this now. I have made a huge quantity. You all can make accordingly, and according to that you will add the vegetables and ingredients. I have added the ingredients according to half kg of basmati rice. You all can add plus minus whatever you wish to do. let's give this a good toss. In this I will add little bit more salt and with soybean sauce, a little bit. Half a teaspoon of soybean sauce. And a little bit more salt. Just a little. Here friends, so the chicken fried rice is ready. I'll just take it out in a bowl and I will show you the entire result. The fried rice is ready friends. Chicken fried rice with egg. Please do try this recipe out as it tastes really good. You can accompany it with chili chicken, Manchurian chicken, Szechuan chicken, whatever up to you, but please do try this recipe. Hi everyone, I hope you like the recipe. For more such recipes, please do like, share and subscribe and try the recipes out, whatever recipes I share with you. See you all in another video once again. So bye, take care.